Hello everyone, this is Arvind from the team TechNarvi. Here I'm going to explain about our project which I have done for this Tech Geek Hackathon. And next thing is the problem statement. Nowadays, people brought the product and have some problem face. To overcome the problem, we have built the one chatbot which integrated by the artificial intelligence to provide the better support and service to the peoples. And likewise, I have previously said, our chatbot is mainly based on AI. So I have used these different integration part like Dialogflow, Chatfuel, TensorFlow, and Firebase. These products are surely helpful for the peoples to give the better services and a better solution for them, and which will also provide the 24/7 customer support and help the company in the effective manner. And these are the technology stacks we have included. First one is the Dialogflow. It is the open source software built by the Google. We have integrated all our data sets in the Dialogflow to give the better accuracy. And next thing is the chat fuel, and chat fuel is mainly used for the integration of our bot with the messenger, because there is some technology involved for the integration of messenger. So we are included the chat fuel for the integration of our bot with messenger. For the integration of the chat fuel with the messenger, there is one page id is required. We get our page id from the Facebook developer kit. That's why I have mentioned the Facebook developer kit. And next thing is the TensorFlow is a free and open source library developed by the Google, and it is open source for all. So we are using the TensorFlow for our preparing our algorithm. It is mainly based on the algorithm called the CNN, that is the convolution neural network. And next thing is the Google Cloud. Google Cloud is mainly used for the store the data. I mean, what are the queries asked by the customers were all stored in the Google Cloud, so the company can easily get the analysis part, easily analyzes the data of what the bot will reply and what are the queries asked by the peoples. Then this is the design architecture, and this is the overall flow diagram of our chatbot. Initially the flow starts from this messenger or the website where users can interface directly. Any users can give the queries of what are the problems he have faced in the product. These queries are taken by our service that is called as JSON service. This JSON service will request to the chat fuel. In the chat fuel, we have developed two algorithms, that is the CNN algorithm and NLP. These two algorithms help to retrieve, to extract the key and value of the data which the user have given the queries. These key and value are taken to the Dialogflow in the format of JSON. This Dialogflow made the the accurate value of response, and this Dialogflow also store the accurate answers and queries to the the Google Cloud. Then the simultaneously pass the response to the chat fuel. This chat fuel and again transferred to a response, the answer to the user interface. This is the overall flow diagram, which will help to you understand what our bot will do exactly in this phase. And this is the user interface diagram. These are the two screenshots taken by our bot. First thing is the website bot we have done in both HTML5 and the AngularJS, and next one is integration of our bot with the messenger. Our application will work on both PW apps and as well as a messenger, so the user have some facility to use our bot in any of their own interest. And then you can see that there is some queries I have asked in the PW app, that is the chat with us. Hello, I have asked for the hello bot, and the bot replied, how can I help you. And next thing is the messenger bot. In the messenger bot, I have asked for, I have the problem in my monitor, and it asked me to what kind of problem. I have replied to that the monitor is not working. It shows the response, that is that please check your driver installed or update. I have not properly added the what is the problem in the monitor, so I have randomly checked the answer for that. And next thing is, it also not shut down our monitor, so it will reply that press alt F4 and select your option and hit OK. This is our response I had exactly wanted. And next thing is, I have finished the bot and say the thank you, and it responds to them. And this is the dialog flow screen. In the screen you have seen that all the intents are added in for our bot. These are the some of the intent added in the beginning of our bot. We have added the millions of data user queries in the dialog flow, but the picking time and the response time is very millisecond, I mean the very 0.03 milliseconds, so it is very dynamic to take the response from the user. And next thing is the impact on society. And first one is the user friendly and reduce the time complexity. That is, our bot is very user friendly. That is the very UA and UX are very user design, user experienced one, so that user can feel very comfortable to ask the query at any time to them. And next thing is the improve the service of the company. And this, in the company there is the customers are the main role for the of their product growth, so our bot surely helpful for the company to increase their customers. And our bot will support for the 24/7 customer support. And the next one is the manpower reduction. And the integration, I mean the automation of the product will helpful for the company to reduce the manpower, and is the reliable more reliable for the product, surely helpful for the customers to extend their queries of the product at the any time of the website. And let's we see about our bot, how it responds our user data and how it will reply for the user queries. I have asked the query that some small message like the hi, it will dynamically reply how can I help you. And I have request the bot, I have the face some problem like that, and it reply for the customer. It feels the situation of the customer, so it will reply don't worry sir, I will help you. And it asks me the problem, what kind of the problem I have faced. Then I have reply I have faced the issue in my monitor, so it will help me to support the monitor, I mean support me to how to run the monitor, what is the problem I have faced. So I have say this thank message, it will send the by, and ask me one more problem in my laptops, it will dynamically ask me what is the next issue I faced. I have asked for how to save battery life in my phone, so I have entered the question. It will give some of the solution to increase my battery life. This is our bot. This is a few queries I have added. There is a lot of queries, a lot of problem will be solved by our bot. And I have concluded my session. And the world is moving towards anytime and anywhere by the computing. So AI is the one of the most incredible technology to helpful for the human power to enhance the human growth to the next frame. And I have uploaded my video in the YouTube link, and I have add my source code in the GitHub. You have searched the source code in the link of Aravindan 132 repo. Thank you.